Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the sought-after Ironshore community of Montego Bay, 112 Torado Drive offers an exquisite residence on 18,000 square feet of prime land. This two-family home boasts 6 bedrooms, each with an ensuite bathroom, providing ample accommodation with spacious living rooms, dining areas, and well-appointed kitchens in each section. It's designed for both comfort and entertainment. Noticeably, the property offers a spectacular ocean view, enhancing its allure. Centrally located, it provides convenient access to modern amenities, including shopping, dining, schools, and recreational facilities. Each section of the house encompasses around 5,000 square feet of living space, allowing for versatile interior design options and ensuring a spacious feel throughout. In summary, 112 Torado Drive in Ironshore, Montego Bay is an exceptional residence, offering 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and 2 distinct living spaces on a generously sized parcel of land. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 750,000 or Jamaican $115.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.